Today we'll talk about how can you enable notifications on your uh, NovelToon app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here. You click here on mine down here. You just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go here, go above this sign, click on it here. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on manage notifications. So then you click here on push notifications here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. You come here to show notifications. Click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us. That's main notifications on your NovelToon disable enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by